What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about YNAB. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a powerful budgeting tool designed to help individuals take control of their finances. With its unique 4-rule approach, YNAB empowers users to allocate every dollar, prepare for future expenses, and adapt to financial changes. Offering a 34-day trial, it promotes financial awareness and encourages users to save more and stress less. Now, let's take a look at some of its top features. Accessible everywhere. YNAB's app lineup ensures that users can manage their finances anytime and anywhere. With versions available for web, iPhone, Android, iPad, and even Apple Watch, YNAB offers seamless access across all devices. This constant connectivity allows users to update their budgets in real time, making it easier to stay on track with financial goals and avoid overspending. Collaborative budgeting. The subscription sharing feature allows users to invite up to 5 people to join their budgeting efforts without sharing passwords. This fosters collaboration by enabling family members and friends to create and manage unlimited spending plans together. Enhanced communication about financial priorities and responsibilities lead to better decision-making and accountability, ultimately improving financial health as a group. Goal-oriented tracking. YNAB's goal tracking feature empowers users to set specific financial targets and monitor their progress. By clarifying shared priorities, users can determine how much money to allocate towards each goal. This structured approach not only motivates users but also provides a clear pathway to achieving their financial objectives, fostering a sense of accomplishment as they reach milestones. Insightful reporting. YNAB provides detailed reports and data analysis that help users understand their spending habits. These insights allow individuals to identify trends, track progress over time, and make informed decisions about their finances. By leveraging this data, users can adjust their budgets effectively and develop healthier spending habits, ultimately leading to improved financial stability. Effective debt management. The debt management feature in YNAB helps users strategize their debt repayment plans. By visualizing outstanding debts and settling specific payment goals, individuals can prioritize which debts to tackle first. This organized approach not only reduces the stress associated with debt but also empowers users to take control of their financial future by systematically eliminating liabilities. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Time-consuming management. YNAB requires a significant amount of manual input and regular monitoring, which can be time-consuming. Users must frequently enter transactions, categorize expenses, and adjust budgets as necessary. This hands-on approach may not suit individuals seeking a more automated or passive budgeting solution, potentially leading to frustration for those with busy lifestyle. High subscription cost. The subscription fee for YNAB is relatively high compared to many other budgeting apps, costing to $14.99 per month or $99 annually. This expense can deter potential users, especially those who are looking for free or low-cost alternatives. While the app offers a 34-day free trial, the ongoing cost may not justify the benefits for some users. Limited budgeting methods. YNAB primarily utilizes a zero-based budgeting approach, which may not appeal to everyone. Users are required to allocate every dollar of income to specific categories, leaving no room for alternative budgeting methods like the 70-20-10 rule. This restriction could limit flexibility for individuals who prefer different financial strategies tailored to their unique circumstances. In conclusion, YNAB is a robust budgeting tool that offers valuable features for financial management, including goal tracking and collaborative budgeting. However, its time-intensive nature, subscription cost, and specific budgeting methodology may not suit everyone. Ultimately, it's an excellent choice for those committed to proactive financial planning and accountability. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.